Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we'll explore how to use Gemini AI for coding and dive into its best features. Gemini AI offers a powerful set of tools designed to streamline coding tasks and make development faster and more efficient. To get started, simply log into your Gemini account and select the coding mode. Gemini AI assists with tasks such as writing code, debugging errors, and even suggesting optimizations. One of its standout features is code completion, where it predicts what you want to write next based on the context of your code, reducing manual input. Another powerful feature is code refactoring, which helps to improve the structure and readability of your code without altering its functionality. Gemini AI also supports multiple programming languages, ensuring you can code in your preferred language, from Python to JavaScript and beyond. You can ask Gemini to help troubleshoot specific issues or generate complex algorithms. With advanced machine learning, Gemini AI understands context and adapts to your coding style over time. By leveraging these features, you can enhance your productivity, reduce bugs, and write cleaner code faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content.